ZoomInfo and RocketReach. These are two of the most popular sales prospecting and intelligence platforms. Both claim to help you grow your business, but which one is best for your company? Well, in this video, we pit them head to head, comparing their lead generation and contact databases, outreach capabilities, analytics, unique features, and of course, the pricing. We break down everything you need to know before you invest time and money in the wrong tool. So let's start with getting to know each tool. Let's start with RocketReach. RocketReach is known primarily as a contact lookup and prospect discovery tool. It boasts a database of over 700 million professionals across 35 million companies worldwide. Its search engine focuses mainly on quickly finding email addresses, phone numbers, and social media profiles for individuals at various organizations. Some key features include advanced search, allowing users to find contacts by name, job title, location, or company; bulk lookup and API access for teams wanting to enrich large lists of prospects; a Chrome extension for on-the-fly prospecting while browsing through LinkedIn or other websites; integrations with CRMs like Salesforce and HubSpot to sync newly found contacts. Now, unlike some other all-in-one sales engagement platforms, RocketReach focuses on providing verified contact data and leaves most of the outbound sequencing or automation to third-party integrations. It's mainly used by recruiters, small sales teams, and marketers who quickly want a direct way to gather verified contact info without a heavy annual contract. Now, ZoomInfo, on the other hand, is the leading go-to-market platform specializing in B2B data intelligence, and according to the company, ZoomInfo includes around 320 million professional contacts. Many have direct phone numbers, email addresses, and even buyer intent signals. Now, ZoomInfo also has a full suite of solutions collectively known as Sales OS. It also has Marketing OS for campaign execution and ABM strategies, Talent OS for recruiting and HR insights, Data as a Service to enrich and maintain CRM records with real-time updates, Chorus AI for conversation intelligence, and it also includes workflows and automations to streamline outreach and follow-ups. The platform's data-centric approach focuses on accuracy and depth, making it especially compelling for businesses that need detailed org charts and identify key decision makers and buyer intent data. Now, while it is used by companies of all sizes, ZoomInfo's annual contract and pricing usually caters to mid-market and enterprise organizations with dedicated sales teams. So we'll talk about the pricing later in the video, but first let's just compare some of these features head to head. Now, both RocketReach and ZoomInfo claim to be top-tier solutions for finding and connecting with the right prospects, but let's directly compare each of the main features. Let's start with lead generation. RocketReach has over 700 million professional contacts and 35 million companies in its database. It focuses on contact lookup, so you can search by name, role, location, or even domain. Now, it also offers bulk lookups and email enrichment if you already have partial information. Now, it also has simple integrations with Salesforce, HubSpot, and more, letting you push your found contacts into your CRM. Also, RocketReach's main strength here is giving you direct emails, phone numbers, and social links quickly. However, it lacks the extensive buyer intent data and organizational hierarchies that ZoomInfo provides. So ZoomInfo's core strength is in its accurate, high-quality data. The platform offers detailed company and contact intelligence, including direct phone numbers, email addresses, and even org charts that map out the entire company's hierarchy. Its data-as-a-service model continuously updates and enriches your CRM with fresh insights, helping your team stay on top of shifts like new hires, funding, or even acquisitions. But while ZoomInfo's database claims to be more accurate and comprehensive, it has roughly half the database size of RocketReach's 700 million contacts, which is at 320 million contacts. However, if you're looking for the best lead generation tool, I wouldn't actually recommend either of these. Although they will work, there is a better option. Wiza has the largest database of real-time verified leads with a massive list of over 830 million verified contacts. That's a larger database than both ZoomInfo's 320 million and RocketReach's 700 million. And all of the contacts you get from Wiza are verified in real time when you download the data, meaning that you know the emails are going to go to the inbox, and when you call, you're going to get the right person. So you can search for leads directly in Wiza Prospect, or you can use the Chrome extension that integrates with LinkedIn Sales Navigator, which has over 1 billion professional contacts. Then you can export these contacts and sync them with your CRM or upload them to a third-party outreach tool of your choice. If you want to learn more about Wiza, check out the video right here or go down to the link in the description. Okay, so let's talk about the outreach tools in each of these platforms. Both RocketReach and ZoomInfo offer ways to connect with your prospects, though the depth of the outreach differs between the two. So with RocketReach, it's really just about finding correct email addresses and phone numbers rather than providing a full-fledged engagement platform. But it does have bulk emailing for sending quick messages to contacts you've discovered, but the feature set here is minimal compared to other dedicated sales engagement tools. It also has basic campaign tracking to see which contacts opened or clicked your emails, depending on the plan that you chose. Now, most users rely on third-party tools like Mailshake, Outreach, or a CRM like HubSpot or Salesforce for deeper sequencing, A/B testing, and robust reporting. Now, ZoomInfo, on the other hand, has its own Engage module, which allows you to create email sequences and automated follow-ups, similar to other outreach platforms, but for deeper insights, ZoomInfo integrates Chorus AI for call recording and conversation intelligence as well. The big advantage here is combining Engage with ZoomInfo's high-quality data. Your outreach can be hyper-targeted, and you can quickly identify which contacts or accounts are most likely to be interested based on some buyer intent signals. However, if you only need a simple lookup tool that can do cold emails at a lower cost, neither ZoomInfo or RocketReach alone may be the best option. Instead, you might want to consider a specialized cold outreach platform like Instantly or SmartLead, and a more budget-friendly data provider like Wiza to fuel your outreach campaign. Okay, now let's talk about the analytics and reporting features. Now, RocketReach focuses more on the accuracy of contact data than it does the advanced analytics. Some of its paid plans offer basic performance metrics like how many emails were successfully delivered or opened, credit tracking so you know when you're close to hitting your monthly limits, and has minimal funnel or multi-channel analytics. You'll typically want to rely on your CRM or marketing automation tool for deeper reporting. Now let's talk about ZoomInfo. ZoomInfo's analytics are not as robust as dedicated engagement platforms like Apollo or Outreach, but with Engage, you can track email performance, including opens, clicks, and replies. The real power here lies in ZoomInfo's ability to show which companies are in market for your solution, who the decision makers are, and what organizational changes might be happening in real time. You can also purchase add-ons like Chorus AI to further deepen your insights through call transcripts and AI insights. Overall, if your goal is purely data-led decision-making, especially across multi-step outreach, then ZoomInfo probably has a slight edge over RocketReach. Now let's talk about the user experience and support. With RocketReach, it offers a relatively simple UI focusing on fast contact lookups. If you only need verified emails and phone numbers, it's super quick to learn. Support is typically via email or a ticketing platform. Phone or dedicated account managers are reserved for higher-tier enterprise packages. Now, when it comes to ZoomInfo, it splits its functionality across multiple modules. You get the Sales OS, Marketing OS, Engage, Chorus, etc. This can all feel very modular. The upside is you can pick and choose what you need, but the downside is that each module might come with its own learning curve and definitely its own additional cost. Now, ZoomInfo provides dedicated account managers for larger clients, helping them maximize data or tailoring the solution for them. You can also access white glove data services if you want extra handholding. Now let's talk about the pricing and scalability for both of these. With RocketReach, it offers a free trial with limited credits, and then it goes to paid tiers from around $70 to $300 per month billed monthly. The Pro plan, which is recommended by them, is $140 per month billed annually, and you get 200 contact exports per month and lets you send 500 emails per month. Now, based on this pricing, I wouldn't necessarily recommend RocketReach for large-scale outreach campaigns. Overall, though, RocketReach has shorter contract options with lower entry costs than ZoomInfo, which is ideal for smaller teams needing simpler data enrichment or contact lookup. Now, let's talk about ZoomInfo. ZoomInfo operates on an annual contract basis, requiring at least a year-long commitment. Pricing varies depending on which modules you need, the sales, marketing, talent, etc., and how many seats you require. Now, the pricing isn't actually available on the website, but a quick Google search reveals that the price starts at around $15,000 per year and can go up to about $25,000 plus for advanced plans. On top of that annual contract, you also have a credit-based limit for data usage, things like pulling contact info. Now, of course, you can purchase additional credits, and you can purchase add-ons like Intent org charts, or Chorus AI, which I'm sure will significantly increase the overall cost. Now, many mid-sized and enterprise-level customers will find the annual cost worthwhile for ZoomInfo's data and advanced intelligence features. But for smaller businesses or those primarily interested in just basic outreach, ZoomInfo's price tag and modular approach might feel like a heavier lift. So here's the final verdict. RocketReach is excellent for teams wanting a fast, straightforward way to find verified emails and phone numbers. It's affordable at lower tiers, offers a simple user experience, and integrates easily with your CRM or marketing tool of choice. However, it lacks robust intent data, org charts, or advanced engagement features like ZoomInfo. So ZoomInfo, on the other hand, is the data powerhouse. If your strategy relies on high-quality intelligence, accurate contact data, and in-depth company insights like org charts and buyer intent, then ZoomInfo's robust database and analytics give you a clear advantage, assuming that you even have the budget and need for all of these advanced modules. Now, both RocketReach and ZoomInfo are valuable, but they excel in different areas. So if you want simple, high-accuracy contact discovery at a moderate price, RocketReach is a good choice. If comprehensive B2B data, deep org charts, and powerful add-ons matter most to you, and you can commit to a larger annual budget, then ZoomInfo might be the way to go. But here's the bottom line. RocketReach stands out for its direct, no-frills approach to prospecting, offering a quick access to emails and phone numbers. ZoomInfo dominates when you need comprehensive B2B data and deep organizational intelligence. Both can boost your sales pipeline, it's just a matter of which features align with your company's scale and goals. But if you are curious about other prospecting tools that can help simplify your lead generation at an even more affordable rate, then check out Wiza. For a flat fee of just $3.99 per month, you get unlimited emails and phone numbers from over 830 million real-time verified contacts. It also helps you scrape verified emails and phone numbers from LinkedIn Sales Navigator and individual LinkedIn profiles. So click the link right here to watch a quick demo to see how Wiza works. It might be the solution that you've been looking for to supercharge your sales outreach. Have a magical day, and I'll see you in the next video.